Guys, I just think I found one of the smartest MagSafe wallets I've ever tested. It's called the ESR Geomagnetic Wallet Stand, and it's basically a MagSafe wallet, an adjustable stand, and fully compatible with the Apple Find service, all built into one. But is it worthy of a place in your pocket? Well, stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, MagSafe wallets, I mean, they're great, right? Well, I mean, until they're not. I mean, they fall off, they hold like 2 cards, and if you lose one, well, basically it's gone forever. But this one from ESR is doing things a little bit different. It's got full Find My tracking, a stronger magnetic lock than Apple's own wallet, storage for up to 5 cards, RFID protection, and even a finger loop for a more secure grip. Oh, and it folds out into a proper adjustable stand. I mean, basically, it's like the Swiss Army knife of MagSafe wallets. Now, before we get into it, ESR reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this Geo wallet. I mean, it's got a couple of names, right? And to give it my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's get it out of the box and see what we've got. So guys, inside the box, you've got the wallet itself. You got some paperwork, and trust me, it's worth reading the paperwork because this wallet has got a few smart functions. Oh, and right away, it feels solid. Nice materials, good finish, and the hinge on the stand feels like properly engineered. I mean, it's not flimsy or loose. On the back, you've got this durable finger loop which kind of flips out there so you can stick your finger in there and, you know, get a bit of extra grip, and it folds completely flat. So when you're done, it still slides into your pocket very easily. And guys, on the inside, you've got 3 separate card slots, plus you've got this tension spring in the body that lets you carry up to 5 cards securely without them falling off. Now guys, let's get into what makes this wallet so special. First up, Apple certified MagSafe, right? This wallet is Apple certified MagSafe with full Find My functionality built in. That means like it behaves like an AirTag, but you haven't got that bulge of having the AirTag. You can track it on the map, you can play a sound, and you get left behind alerts. And that's pretty cool. Now, you don't get the arrow on the screen with the precise distance like feet and all that kind of stuff that you do with the Apple trackers, but the sound is loud and the map location is accurate enough to get you straight to it. Honestly, for a wallet, it's kind of brilliant. And guys, my big bugbear with magnets. Well, ESR redesigned the magnetic ring with 3,200 grams of magnetic force. I mean, I don't even know what that is, but apparently it's more than double Apple's own MagSafe wallet. And guys, it sticks. No slipping, no sliding, it just stays put. You also get a dynamic tension spring, as I said, inside the main compartment, so whether you carry 1 card or 5 cards, they stay tight and secure. And with separate card slots, you can get to the one that you want instantly. And guys, in this day and age where security is paramount, the whole wallet is wrapped in an RFID blocking material, and your cards and IDs are protected from digital theft. And that is something Apple still doesn't include in theirs. So you know what? I think it's a solid upgrade. And guys, that hinge opens out smoothly. I mean, it's really nice. I've got another one here in brown. I don't know which one you like, brown or black. Let me know in the comments. But yes, this hinge locks out at between 15 and 170 degrees, portrait or landscape, which is perfect for video calls, watching videos, browsing, or popping up your phone on the desk. And because of that stronger magnet, the stand feels stable and doesn't flop aside like some cheaper ones do. Now guys, let's quickly talk about the battery, because this is actually one of the most important parts of this smart wallet. Inside the ESR Geo, there's a built-in rechargeable battery that runs the Find My, tracking and the built-in speaker. Now, the good news is you're not charging this thing every week like a cheap tracker. Nope. On a full charge, ESR rates this for months of use, and in real world terms, that means you're probably looking at roughly 3 to 4 months per charge, depending on how often you use Find My and play that alert sound. To charge it, it's really simple. On the bottom edge of the wallet, you've got a small charging port. Just plug in the included USB cable, and a little LED lets you know that it's charging. And what I really like is the fact that you don't have to take this thing apart or mess around with batteries. You just plug it in and leave it for a while and you are good to go. So guys, there you have it. This is one of the most feature-packed MagSafe wallets I've tested so far. The Find My tracking is incredibly useful. The stronger magnets give you peace of mind, and the 5-card storage, RFID protection and built-in stand make it genuinely practical. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up or this bad boy up for around £36. Guys, I'll leave any links and any discount codes in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ESR for sending me there's a couple here, very cool smart wallets to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.